Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a basic 3D drawing practice model in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we will construct this profile, and from inside this will be hollow. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and create. Now go to 2D sketch and select the XY plane. This will be the front plane. Here go to line command, make a straight line of dimension 85 mm, zoom out, okay, and escape. Go to line command, make one horizontal line, okay, and escape. Now select this line and make it a construction geometry or make it a center line. From here click center line, so this will be the center line. Now go to line command once again. From this point make one line, escape. Now go to dimension. The dimension of this will be dia of 70 mm, okay. Now escape. Drag this and go to arc command. Select this top and select this point and make one arc. Go to tangent constraint. This is tangent constraint. Select this arc and select this line. Select this line and select this arc, okay. Now escape. Now you can see it is moving. So go to coincident. Select this point. This is the center point of the arc and select this center line. Now it is constrained. Escape. Now go to rectangle command. Make a 2-point rectangle and select this edge. Construct the rectangle. Escape. Go to dimension. From bottom this dimension will be 6.5 mm and this also 6.5 mm, okay. Now this outer, this dia will be 95 mm, okay. Now go to 3D model, revolve, select this profile and select this profile, and for axis go to axis selection and select this center axis and okay. Now we have made the complete solid body. You can see it is complete solid body here. We will make it hollow in further steps. Now we are going to construct this profile. So go to 2D sketch. From origin select the XY plane. Now go to view, visual style and change it to wireframe. Go to sketch, select the circle command. Make one circle here of dia 32 and one here of dia 20 and one at bottom of dia 20, okay. Escape. Now go to dimensions. The center of this circle from bottom will be at a distance of 55 mm, okay. And here the center to center distance of these two circles will be of 40 mm and this circle from one side will be at 20, okay. So these are the vertical dimensions. Escape. Now go to vertical constraint. Select this point and select this point, select this and this, so they are vertically aligned with each other. Now select this center and select here the center one. Now they all are aligned, okay. Now escape. Now go to line command and join these outer profiles, okay. Escape. Go to line, make one line from this circle till here and escape. Now go to tangent constraint, select this circle and this line Similarly this circle and this line. Okay. Similarly this circle and line, circle and line. Okay. Now go to trim and trim the extra profile, this profile. Okay. And it don't contain any extra profile. Escape. Now go to line command and make a center line passing through the centers. Escape. Select this line, make it a construction geometry and go to mirror profile. Here select mirror, select this profile and this profile, go to mirror line and select this center line, apply and done. Okay. Now from here go to trim command, select this trim this inner profiles, this profile, all the inner profiles we will trim one by one and this. Okay. Escape. Now go to vertical constraint, vertical align them. Okay, they are aligned. Go to dimension, this will be 10 and here this will be 16 radius. The dia was 32, so the radius will be 16 mm. Okay, so this will be the final profile. Now go to 3D model and go to extrude command. We'll select this profile and here take a extrude length of 70 mm. We'll select here join and OK. Okay. Now go to visual style, change it back to shaded with edges. So this will be the profile. Now select this face, go to create sketch and here go to circle command and make a circle, but we don't have any center point here. So drag the cursor over this arc, so you will find the center point. Make a circle here of dia 20 mm and go to 3D model, extrude. We want to make a hole, so flip the direction, so it will change it to cut and here take a distance of 70 mm and OK. Okay. Now this is not a hollow profile, so the profiles are cutting inside this. Now select this face again, go to create sketch, go to circle command once again, drag the cursor on this, the center point is here and make a dia of 10 mm. Similarly here drag it at this center point, dia 10 mm. Okay. Now go to 3D model, extrude, select both these circles, go to cut. Now this time we will take a distance of 25 mm and OK. Okay. So this will be the profile. Now we want this complete profile to be pattern this side. So go to 3D model and here go to circular pattern and select this profile, select extrude 2, extrude 3, all the profiles we will select. Go to rotation axis and select this dia as rotation axis. We only want a count of 2, so here take 2 and the angle here will be 45 degree. Go to rotation axis and flip and OK. So this will be the same profile will be generated here. Okay. Now we will make the third profile. This pipe profile we will make. This is different from both these profiles. For this we will first construct a new plane at 45 degree angle. So first go to axis command and make a reference axis of this dia. Click on this dia. So reference axis is here is constructed. This will be work axis 1. Now go to plane command, select this axis and select the YZ plane. Go to top view, it will be more clear then. You have selected the center axis and the YZ plane. Now here the angle is showing 90° by default, so this will be the new plane. We want at 45°, so you can see now here a new plane is constructed. Rotate the view. So here a new plane will be constructed. This will be the new plane. Click OK. Now select this plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. You can rotate it. OK. We can select this edge. Now go to sketch, go to line command, make a line over here, escape. Go to line command once again. Okay, rotate it again. And okay, finish. Select the sketch 5 again, so it will be normal. Go to line command. From this center, we'll construct a line. Escape. Go to dimension. The dimension of this line here will be of dimension 60 mm. Go to line, make one vertical line and join it to center and join this back. Okay, and escape. Go to dimension. The center to center dimension here will be of 15 mm. Okay, so this will only be the rectangular profile. This is. Go to 3D model, revolve. This profile will be selected and select this bottom line as axis of rotation. So this will be the profile. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. So this will be the new profile and OK. Now select this front face, go to create sketch, go to circle command. Here select the center and make a circle of dia 20 mm and go to 3D model and extrude. Select this inner circle, go to cut and take a cut of 70 mm. 70 mm will cut up to this midpoint and OK. Now we have completed all the cut profiles and outer profiles. So now we will make it a hollow profile from bottom also. So go to front, or you can take this view you can take. So select the visor plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch again and here go to project geometry, project this outer profile, this profile and this profile. Okay. Now go to offset command, offset this and drag it inside, enter, offset it up to 6.5 mm. Go to line, join till the bottom. Now make it a close profile, so join here and here, join here, escape. Now go to dimension, give this also a dimension of 6.5. Okay, this will be 6.5. Again write 6.5. Okay. Now go to arc, you can make this also. Go to arc, select this point and select this point, make a arc here and escape. So this will be the profile and go to line command, make a line here and join it till here, escape. Now this will be the profile of with thickness 6.5 mm. We want to cut this hollow profile here. So go to finish sketch, go to revolve and select this inner profile. Go to axis and this will be the axis of rotation. And here we will take cut Go to view, visual style, shade it with edges and rotate the view and OK. So this will be the cut profile. Now you can see two holes, this hole and this hole are in proper shape, but this is overlapping by these profiles. So go to home, select this face, go to create sketch. You can see profiles here. So go to project geometry and select this circle. Now go to 3D model, extrude, flip its side to cut and cut up to thickness of 70 mm and OK. Now rotate it, front view. Now you can see no profile is being shown, and here also you can see the complete circle profile. Now we'll hide the extra profiles over here. Select this work plane one, right click, turn off the visibility. Select this axis, right click, turn off the visibility. OK. Now we'll provide the radius. So go to 3D model and here take the fillet command. Take fillet radius as 4.5 mm. Go to edge selection, select this edge, rotate this inner edge, this edge, this bottom. I think we have selected all and apply. OK. Now we will change the color. So from here you can give it a yellow color. At bottom we will go to yellow, and to make the cut profiles show differently, select these inner profiles one by one. Select these profiles, rotate, select this profile and control and selection of this profile and this inner profile. From here go to opal color and select, rotate. OK. So it will look much different. You can make this face also. So select this face and this outer face also. From here type OP, so you will find opal color. OK. So this will be the profile. So this was a basic practice model in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.